anything. I know how busy you guys can get.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there.
Is there a line, with these deep fakes?
No, I think comedy is a field of comedy. It's so
The Big Goodbye by Sam Waston, which is about the making of Chinatown.
And photograph.
You're moving, but that just might be nerves. Meat, not to get into this right away, but it's something I feel very passionate about, which is meat. You can eat it
Behind
every
the bleachers.
Right,
I used to hack it up real good.
Tell me about that.
That was a while ago, Robert. That was 16 years.
Emotions that you can take a crowd through.
Tropics flown in. I had them. They.
It's supposed to mean jujitsu,
It's real.
You ready? Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging music. I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boys. Killing it.